We're taking the chaos out of room selection. Picking a cabin is where first-timers get burned. Under the pool deck, next to the elevators, a balcony you paid for, and a steel wall in front of it. The deck plan won't warn you. It's a grid of numbers. So we built something that will. It's called the Room Concierge. It's live on the site right now, and it's free. Let me walk you through it. There are 3 ways in. If you know your ship, start there. If you don't, let it find you one. And if you've already booked, that 3rd door is new. Give it your cabin number and it'll tell you what you actually got. Say you're booked. Pick the line, pick the ship, type the number. It reads what sits around that room on that hull, the view, the noise, what's above you and below you, and tells you straight. Most cabins come back fine. And if yours has a surprise in it, better you hear it from me now than from the thrusters on night 1. If you're still choosing, it starts by getting to know you. Not inside or balcony, that comes later. It asks how you actually travel, what annoys you about other travelers, how you picture using the room, whether the budget's on a leash, and that one matters because it changes which ships you're shown. Then your expectations, who's going, where you're dreaming of sailing, what matters most once you're aboard, and if somebody in the cabin gets seasick, it wants to know, because that changes where on the ship you should sleep. Then it does something no booking site does. It tells you which ships fit the person you just described, with our Still Afloat score from real cruisers and Salty Mark's counterpoint, because every ship has a catch and you deserve to hear it. And it'll put a line in front of you that you probably weren't considering and tell you why. And here's where it earns its keep. Exact cabins, not categories, cabin numbers. Where I'd put you, why in plain language, reasoned for your answers, and just as important, the rooms I'd skip and what's wrong with each one, deck, category, view, and the reason. That steel wall balcony, it's on that list. Want the whole short list instead of my top few? One button opens every room it considered. When you've got your picks, one button sends them to me, and I check real availability on your sailing. No fees, no pressure. It's simply a great model to help you make an informed decision. The Room Concierge is live at stillafloatcruising.com, link below. Try it before you book anything. If it saves you from one bad cabin, the like and subscribe are free. Cruise smarter, laugh more. We'll see you on board.